So here we are back at it. In the last video, I don't remember it. I was crying about something. Anyway, so basically the fix is next time I need to watch the previous video before starting this up, because the second because I was actually 2 videos back. Anyway, let me back up. Welcome to the program. Anyway, welcome to the program. If you've never seen any of these before, this is just me making a thing or something else in the future. And this is the up to the last time I worked on it video series. So if you want to see the progress, just go to the newest video, which is this one, unless there's more. Actually, there will probably definitely will be. That's stupid. Let's go. So the problem in the last video was this thing is not working at all, because watch this. When we push F6, it does this when we click on it. And there are, it's not even stopping. Oh, I have to press escape. I forgot. And when I watched the video, when I watched the last recording to make the video, I saw quite a few glaring errors, like this one right here. You see this? This should be pointing this way. Because as we know, negative, this is the positive direction on the Z. And as we know, negative is the direction the thing travels, right? So this positive Z needs to be pointing this way, and this positive X needs to be pointing this way, right? And the Y is good. So that's one of the problems. Another problem is in the code itself. And you might have seen it. It was glaringly obvious. This was glaringly obvious when I was editing the video. This was so glaringly obvious. I was just like, oh my God. And I saw it like right at the beginning of 2 videos ago. Whatever. Hopefully I won't make that mistake too many more times. That being said, this other one in the script right here, I was staring at this like the whole time. Where is it? Hold on. Plus, this was supposed to be times. Like, and I was staring at this the whole time. Like, I instantly saw it. I don't know if you saw the last one, but I instantly saw it. It was just so obvious. It wasn't multiplying it at all. It wasn't multiplying it by 1%. I mean, yeah, by 0.01 at all. It was literally going 100 times faster than we wanted it to go. So let's do it again. F6. Click it, and yeah, a lot slower. It's looking crazy. I like it though. And I don't know why it looks so bananas right now. Also, there was another thing on this video. I totally skipped over it. I didn't even know, but I saw it like 3 times when I watched it. Let's go back. Where's the code? Let's see. Is it right here? We're gonna go fast forward in this. I'm gonna put the headphones on. I'm gonna fast forward, and in the edit, I'm gonna also fast forward. So it's gonna be double fast forwarded. Okay, we're gonna have to change these also. But after we get this thing pointed in the right direction. But I want to see that other thing that I skipped, because I don't remember what it was exactly. There it is. That's what it was. All right. So let's I'm gonna drag this over to the other screen and then type it into the text editor thing. There we go. Let's ooh, this has been running. Whatever. All right. So this, what am I doing? All right. Give me a second. And then let's put this there. All right. So where are we? Here. Right after this if, we'll say camera.rotation.x. Camera.rotation.x equals clamp camera dot rotation dot x comma. What does that says? Deg to rad. Where's is it on a full screen right here? Yeah, there's right there. Deg to rad -30. Deg to is that a hyphen? Or is that just the cursor? No, there's a comma. There's a comma there. All right. So deg to rad deg to rad -30 and then 60. All right, we can do that. Deg to rad -30 comma. Actually, let's do a shift back or a control shift back. Does that work? Yeah. Control C comma, control V, turn that 30 into 60. Into 60. All right, there we go. Come on. Come on. Yep, that's what it says. Let's see what this does. Let's see if this fixes things. Or at least makes them... What? Oh, it doesn't like it. Deg to rad. This guy didn't use that. Okay, we'll change it to rad. Boom. To rad. Deg to rad. There we go. Let's see. Control. No, never mind. F6. Let's do it. Click. Okay. Nope. That's still stupid. Oh, yeah. We didn't change the camera. Also, the thing about it is, if we go over here to player, the 3D of the player scene, the neck's like way up here. Like, let's go to this. And the pivot's way up here. You know, and it's still like, how do we move this way? We got to figure that out right now. We got to figure that out right now. Collision shape. We got to make all of these. All of these need to be on that line. I don't know if the camera does. I don't know about the camera. Yeah. Okay, we need to change the origin or something. I don't know. Let's grab the code so far and tell Gemini that it isn't what we want it to do. We want the capsule. We want this thing to move. Hold on. What do we want to do? First, we want to get this. We want to switch the orientation of the. Why don't we just move the capsule? I think that would be actually the smoothest move, actually. What would that be? Isn't that just the best move right there? Isn't that a lot less work? All right. So what is this? Okay. Which direction would that be? 90? 90 or negative 90? Doesn't matter. 90. Okay. All right. Well, that fixes that. So now let's get this camera pointed in that direction. And let's get it over here. Okay. So we would use this to move it, right? How do we get it? Let's make it snap. Boom. That's got to be it, right? Right there. All right, that's fixed. Pivot. Let's move it down with the how do we do this? There we go. Let's move it down. And up. No, is that good? Are they all on the line? Huh? Hold on. What? Excuse me? That's not what I want. I'm new. What do you want? I'm new. All right. Up. Over. Up. Almost there. That's something. All right. What about the capsule? Okay, that's on 90. That doesn't do anything. What? Look, we're going to get this. We're going to get this one day. I would like it to be regular 90. I would like it to not be that either. I'd like that to be 0. Perfect-ish. Now, why is the capsule not perfectly centered? Oh, is this not perfectly centered? 0, 0, 0. All right, let's go find all of these and see if they're all good. Pivot, where are you? 0. I wonder if there's a way to reset these. This one's at 0. This one's at 0. And this one's at 0. All right, everything's set up in a manner now. Let's go to the camera. All right, there we go. Now that that's settled, let's go over to the script yet again and change up a thing. Because now we are set up. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. We might not be actually. Back it up to the 3D yet again. Let's get mesh instance. Okay, yes. Whatever direction this is, the camera needs to be in the opposite direction. Perfect. All right, that's what I was wondering. And it looks like it's there. So now that we've got that, let's do this to the script. Let's go over here and let's change it back to what it was when it started or something. Come down here, change this to forward, back, and then those two can stay the same. Forward. Oh no, this is on the X. This is going to be left. Negative X is going to be left. Right, forward, and back. Right. We'll have forward and back. Forward. Back. Let's press F6. See what we got. Let's see if we got something. Nope. Oh yeah, we gotta be on name. Hi. There we go. There. Whoa. Oh look, we've got a shadow now because the camera's so far back. Okay, what if we press this button? All right. Okay. Okay. There's the shadow. What? Okay. I like that. All right. Now we're at the part of the video yesterday where the guy was like, okay, so we can do this, but we can't move. We can't move towards where the cameras are pointing. Although this is still fast. Let's press escape, get out of this, and I think we're going to drop it down to the next level. 0.5. Let's try it again. F6. That's a little bit better. Not too much though. Still fast. Oop. Ah! Oh no! Can I come back? Where are we going? Back to work. That's where. All right, great. So now we're at the part where we were at yesterday, right before we did some other stuff. Right before he did some other stuff, showing us what to do. That being said, I think we should finish up the we watched the whole video basically yesterday, so we just need to skim through. So let's do that. Let's skim to the part where the next piece of code was. Because, I mean, that's the only way we know that piece of code's there is because we saw him do it, right? Okay, so this is that neck thing. Neck transform bases. Yes. All right, so let's do that. Let's toss this in there. We should have done this. There we go. All right, where are we in this code? Velocity Y, jump velocity. If input, okay, so we're right here. All right, so direction transformation, we're going to say neck dot. Neck dot. Now let's press F6. Oh, it doesn't like it. It's not neck, my man, it's pivot. Enter. All right, cannot infer the type. Get this out of here. Okay. Get this out of here and press F6. All right, so here we are. We can move forward, we can move back, we can move left and we can move right. Although I would like to, oh yeah, that's what this is for. Now we can do this. Do we move? We do, but the capsule doesn't turn towards where we're moving. But you know what? That's not what was in the tutorial. So we're going to have to be like programmers and figure this out ourselves, right? Absolutely. This is going to be our challenge for the next however long. Because this is awesome, honestly. Look at that. Whoa, hey, a little close there, buddy. Whoa, hey. My world's just a platform with no light. Other than the platform, I guess. I don't know. Oh, that was close. Hanging off the edge. Oh, no, come back! Back to work. All right. So, thanks to Bramwell and to a little thing called reviewing the last couple videos, we're at the same place Bramwell is, except for, well, we are actually at the same place Bramwell is. So thank you, Bramwell. A+, you get a like. See ya. Wouldn't want to be ya. That's rude, isn't it? But it's true. Cause I like being me and I don't have no choice. Regardless. So here we go. Here we are. Everything's solved. Problem solved, right? Great day. So now we're at the next stage of this, which is figuring out how to make the neck rotate. Maybe we don't even need this neck thing. Maybe no. How do we make the neck? Okay, let's get this code. Copy it. Let's go over to Gemini and say, Gemini, tell me, at least try. Tell me, look at this GD script and tell me how we would make the body pivot with the $ pivot node. Pivot node. All right. The body, I mean the mesh. I should have said the mesh. I didn't even say the mesh. I mean the static body 3D, the mesh, and the collision shape. I mean the static body 3D, the with its children that are collision shape 3D and mesh instance 3D. I want those to pivot with the pivot node. That's pivoting. Look, you can't be too verbose and redundant with these things. You can't be. We've already got the static body. We've already... Oh, yeah. True. The simplest way is to directly make the static body 3D a child of pivot. Ha-ya. It wouldn't be the static body 3D. Never mind. My bad. My bad. It's not the static body. It's... the pivot. It's not the static body. 3D. I was on the wrong text scene. I've got a player. No. What is this thing called? Character body 3D. Character body 3D with its children being collision shape 3D mesh instance 3D and pivot with a camera child. Pivot which is a marker 3D. Is that what it was? With a camera 3D child. 3D child called camera. Okay. We need to make the mesh and call shape mesh instance in the collision shape Asian shape mesh instance and the collision shape pivot with the marker. Okay, now there we go. Reparent the mesh instance 3D and collision shape 3D. In the Godot editor, select the mesh instance 3D in the scene tree and drag it to the pivot. Okay, cool. So we'll put both of these inside of pivot. This and this. And just pop it right there. What's this? It doesn't like that. The call shape wants to be on the player node, on the char body 3D, char body 3D. All right. The collision body has to pivot too. So should I make the camera on the main .text scene on the main scene, and it knows what it is, scene. The collision body needs to pivot too, so should I make the camera on the main scene and then call the player the char body scene. The char body scene in the pivot, in the main scene camera pivot. Is that even a thing? I don't know. No. I don't know if this is it. Here's the correct approach to make the collision body pivot along with the pivot node. Reparent the character body 3D of the pivot node. In the Godot editor, select the character body 3D node. Drag and drop it into the pivot. Hold on. So, should I make this node... Hold on. But shouldn't the main node of this scene be the character body, or is that just, or can it be anything, or can it be anything? However, it's generally three. They establish best practice. That would be great, but I don't know how to do that. We need to pivot. Okay, we need to pivot. Okay, in the correct movement code. Let's see this. Let's do this. What? What? All right, here we go. All right, so that doesn't look like anything. But this is something different, isn't it? Right here. Pivot dot rotation Y normalized. Actually, let's try this out. Let's try this out. Actually, let's try this out. I really am skeptical about using Gemini anything, but let's try this out. Just see. If not, we can always control Z on it. You know what I'm saying? Toss this right there. Let's embiggen this. Let's toss this in. Control A, Control V. I knew it. I knew it was going to be something stupid. I knew it was going to be. Oh! I took the. Okay, it was me. It was another user error. That was user error right there. I should have just put this physics put where the physics process is. Let's select this thing all the way down here. Drop it off. Still doesn't like it though. Yep. Let's see. Let's drop it off one more time. Oh yeah. No. I forgot. When you take it straight out of this, it doesn't do the tabs correctly. Yeah, never mind. Anyway, so let's just change it up where it changes up here. We can do that. So it's gonna be this var direction, I think. I'm pretty sure this is the place. Let's grab this up to where this back is here. Copy it. Let's do this. Paste it. Oh yeah, let's take this off of here. Nope. Use space. Oh, what? 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 Say what? Hold on, what? V. Let's go back over here. Is there something? It didn't happen correctly. Oh, yeah. Look. Back this up. Tab it open. There we go. Let's see. What were we even doing? I forgot. Something about getting the body to rotate while we move. See ya. What? Control Z. Let's do it again. I hope that doesn't happen twice. Control Z again. Jeez Louise, what's going on here? Okay, we got to get it back to before there was a pivot. All right, there we go. No, that's unacceptable, isn't it? Exactly what did we do to deserve this? What's going on here to why we fall through the machine? What have we been up to? There's something going on here. Look at this. This node has no shape. It can't collide with other objects. Truth. Truth. Very true. Very true. It's a very true statement in life. Okay. Let's see. No, that's stupid too. All right, we got that going on. Let's come back over here. Let's control S over here. I said control S. All right, let's go to main. What's this? What's this? What's this? What's this? What's this? Expected end of statement after variable declaration found identifier instead. Oh, we need that. Huh? What is this? Why was that there? Let's run it and see if it's no good or if it's real good. Okay. We're chilling. We're jumping. We're clicking. We're turning the camera. We're moving in the direction the camera's pointing. We're not moving the body yet, but we're still there. We're back to where we were. But we need the player to move like we want it to move. All right, so I don't think that thing knows. I didn't think Gemini knows what it's talking about. I really don't. I wonder if we can make player and its children a child of pivot. No. You cannot do that. No, that's not a thing. Can we make the pivot? Can we make whatever makes pivot? Can we put that on player? Can we just get rid of the pivot in reality? Just keep the camera there? Let's put the camera here. Let's get rid of the pivot. Can we just delete it? Yes. Can we push Control Z and undelete it? Yes, we can. Control Y and redelete it? Yes, we can. All right. Now let's do to pivot. Let's say player. Let's do player here. Player. And let's do player camera. Layer camera. Let's run it. I don't see any problems. Let's run it. See anything down here? Or we're still in player. We gotta get out of here. Go to main, run it. Still a problem. Pivot.transform. Oh. Because they have because it's a marker. Son of a... What? What? Maybe let's make camera. Let's put pivot inside of mesh instant. No, that's stupid. Let's see if we can put pivot on top of these. Okay, let's do a control V. Let's go control V city. Control Z city, I mean. Let's get it to where this is back to having pivot in it. What the hell is this? Control Y city. Control Y city, baby. What was that? What was that? Okay. I don't think that's gonna work. We're gonna need to redo the pivot. Okay, let's do Control Z city again. But only halfway across town. Control. Oh, look at that. Okay. Oh, okay. So is the Control Z's? This is, if I have this highlighted, it does the undos here. If I have this highlighted, let's just wait until it's at pivot. It says pivot. All right. Let's do F6. No, not on player, baby. Let's go to main. All right, we're back in business. We're back in business. And I think I thought of something. Let's see if I thought right. Let's go like this here. Let's add a node. Oh, no. How about this? No. Can we put these in there? No, we can't. I thought I was so smart, but it was exactly the same thing we did at the beginning. Put these inside the pivot. Should we make a camera node? Is that even a thing? All right, should we make a camera node? Should we make a camera node and call the player scene in it? Then call the camera scene in the main? Question mark. No. All right. We just need the thing to move. Look, we just need the body to move. Look, we just need the body to move with the camera. The collision shapes. The mesh and collision shape to move with the camera. We can't do that. Look, we can't have the collision shape in the pivot. We can't have the collision shape in the pivot. It's gotta be in the what was this thing called? Character. What's this thing called? Body. Right, but how do we make the collision shape move with the mesh? Yeah. Isn't that important? Hasn't this been addressed? Update code collision shape 3D's rotation and code to match. Of course, that would be great, right? What rest of code? We don't have anything else in the process. All right. Okay, so we would add another on ready. var collision equals this. I like that. I like the sound of it. It sounds like it could work. Let's grab this and toss this in. And then fix up the tabs. Okay, I think it's like this. No. We just go backspace, enter. And then we say here, backspace, enter. Backspace, end, backspace, enter. Nope. Tab. Come on now, what's going on here? Oops. Tab. Okay, what's the problem here? Mesh not declared. Mesh. True? Oh, no. Oh. Hold on. Back up. I don't know what we're doing right now. All right, whatever. All right, look. I'm going to review this. I'm going to put this on the internet, and I'm going to upload all the previous 3 before this one, so we're all caught up, and that's the game now. But I'm going to take this off of here. Okay, let's push F6 on main. Click it. Okay, so we're still in it. We can still jump. All right, we can still move this way and that way. And we move in the direction that the camera is. We just don't have the pill is not pointing the direction the camera's pointing, and that's a problem. But I'm going to review the code. I'm going to review the video and see if there's any glaringly obvious mistakes that I can fix, and then we'll come back and we'll do another one. All right, so there's that, and we'll see you next time.